Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transition on your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit and add the transition to. Next, here you can find the video has been on your track. Now tap onto the video track itself, like this. Then scroll to your right and here you can find the split option. Tap on it. Now, here you can find a small button on your video like this. Now tap on it. Finally, here you can find different kind of transition options. Now tap onto one and tap onto the check mark. Here you can find the transition has been added to your videos very easily. And that's it. This is how you can add transition to your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.